guys, hello, welcome to the video. This one is a product evaluation of a aftermarket Targa brace for the C4 Corvette. I've never really thought of myself as a Corvette guy. If anything, my personality is more like the Corvair, unconventional, unpredictable, unsafe at any speed, that sort of thing. So I found this one. I liked it. Low miles, good shape, 6-speed, all the bells and whistles. I bought it and took it home. And the following Sunday took it out for a drive in the country. Took the top off for the open air experience. And I was shocked. I couldn't believe how much the car shook. It shook like an alcoholic chihuahua that had just seen a ghost. I mean, maybe I'm exaggerating. Maybe the chihuahua wasn't actually an alcoholic chihuahua, but I mean, the car shakes bad with the top off. Couldn't believe it. Went home and did some homework, internet homework, and found that the C4 was originally designed to be a T-top like the C3 was, with the brace that runs fore and aft. But the Chevrolet brass said they were going to market the car up against Porsche and Ferrari, and they didn't have T-bars. They had Targas, so you know, make us a Targa. So the engineers, I don't know if they pitched the battle or not, but the car ended up being built and sold like this. They sold a bunch of them. I've seen people online say that their C4 doesn't shake at all, and I'm thinking they're either very lucky or they're kidding themselves, because there's a whole lot of shaking going on. And in any event, I did a little more homework. You know, is there a remedy for this top-off shaking business? And stumbled on this company called Mild to Wild Fabrications. And the reviews looked pretty good. The product looked like it was built to do exactly what it's supposed to do. I mean, it's sturdy as a brick outhouse. So I bought one. Took a couple weeks, and the box showed up on my front porch. And this looks like a precision piece of work. I'm looking forward to trying this out. The welds are really clean. The matte black finish is perfect. Okay, so we're in the car now, on the track, and I'm into second gear with the top off the car. And on the left side, I'm with the roof on. I'm just now into second. So the comparison is pretty easy to see on the right side of the screen, that the camera is shaking a good bit more with the top off. And if there wasn't a problem, there wouldn't be a company in Kentucky making braces to solve it. So that pretty much compares the top on with the top off. Coming up next will be the top off with the brace on and the top off. Okay, so now on the left, the top's off, and on the right, the brace is on with the top off. I'm in the second gear right about the same time. And I'm going into third with the brace on, going a little faster. You can see on the left the same shaking you saw before. And on the right, now I'm down in the second and into the turn a little bit ahead. So I am running a little faster with the brace on. And you can see that there's a great reduction in shaking with the brace added. And then for the third comparison, the plan will be to compare the brace on with the top on. So here we go with that. I'm already into second with the brace on, and now I'm into second. So I'm in the third with the the brace on. So it looks like I'm driving the car a little faster. You can see a little more shaking on the side with the brace on. But two things to consider. One is that the car is going a little faster, and two, that I'm probably not driving the exact same line with each lap. So I might hit a couple of irregularities in the road that I didn't in the other lap with the roof panel on. Seat of the pants, it's as good as having the top on. Well, that pretty much wraps up the video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I hope it's been helpful for you. I'd like to mention that I spoke with one of the guys at Mild to Wild Fabrications, Philip, and he said they're working on a bimini top for the brace. Something that I'm going to be looking out for. It could be a very cool addition to what they've got going on. If you could strap or clip on a vinyl or canvas cover, you wouldn't, I mean, you could go out, have a little rain shower, put on the bimini top, and you wouldn't have to go through the 20 minutes of removing the brace and reinstalling the hard roof panel. So that's it. Whatever you drive, be courteous, be careful, and enjoy the ride. Thanks again.